Well, we've just about reached the end of our online series. Again, if you want to know more about Omega Sim or Alpha Omega Enterprises, go to omegasim.com, fill out the contact information, and we can bring a seminar to your area. And you can contact one of our area representatives or president who are running the Vision Veranda programs, or if you're interested in running the Vision Veranda program yourself. So let's go ahead and talk about and wrap it up. We're going to talk about compound interest. And what I mean by compound interest, this is amortization working for you. We're going to turn it around. And in other words, rather than having the bank having you paying this type of compound interest to them, and you actually owing debts to them, and the things that you own are really assets to them, we're going to turn this around where the bank is now going to be paying you compound interest. And this is where you begin to accumulate a whole lot of wealth. And how you can do this is having the amortization work for you. I'm going to give you a couple things that you can get yourself involved with real quickly here. If you belong to a credit union, you can go ahead, and credit unions are the best for starting an IRA. So you can go ahead and get an IRA going with just $50 per month, and you can watch that money grow. You can get that IRA started with $50 or $100. I mean, other banks are probably around $300 just to get that IRA going for you, and you can usually get an IRA going for you about 6% compound interest. The next thing I recommend is CDs. Those things work wonderfully. And if you want to go beyond that, I recommend getting a DRIP, and that's a dividend reinvestment plan. And you can get that done through your NASDAQ or Fortune 500. And the other thing that works better than that, if you're not a homeowner, is what we call REITs. They're real estate investment trust. Folks, this is what this is. It's a real estate investment plan. And so what you can do is you can actually own real estate through other companies out there that they go ahead and invest in real estate, like Santana Row and other different places like that, and you can end up getting some compound interest from them. So again, we need to start thinking about getting out of debt and getting real. And this is how we do this. We start having the banks pay us interest, and we start realizing the real amount of money and the real savings when it comes to amortization. Again, I'd like to thank you for joining us on this seminar series, and check out the next one coming up next month. It'll be about education and how teachers are teaching the minorities in school today. Thank you again for joining us.